Assalamualaikum. How are you guys? I hope you all are fine and doing well. We are making today chicken Malai Boti. So first of all we have need the chicken. Here I have 300 grams of chicken. So we will add in the chicken lemon juice. It's about 3 tablespoons. Ginger garlic paste 2.5 tablespoon. Black pepper powder 2.5 teaspoon. Allspice powder 3 teaspoons. Chili paste 2 tablespoon. Coriander leaves 2 tablespoon. Salt to taste or salt 1.5 teaspoon. Here I'm using milk pack cream. It's about 3 tablespoon. And cheddar cheese. I took 2 slices of cheddar cheese and cut into these pieces. It's an optional thing. If you don't want to add in the chicken, you can skip it. So some drumsticks. So now we are gonna marinate the chicken. First we add lemon juice, then add ginger garlic paste, black pepper powder, allspice powder, green chili paste, salt to taste, cheddar cheese, coriander leaves, cream, and we need oil to shallow fry it in the pan. So now I'm gonna mix it. Now our chicken is perfectly mixed, here you can see, and now I'm gonna put it, set it aside for 2 to 3 hours. If you're going to marinate this for, leave it for the whole night, it will taste more good, but I'm going to shallow fry it after 2 to 3 hours. So guys, as you can see, our marination time is done. We will use these sticks, then we will put the pieces one by one in these drumsticks, and then we will fry it. So now this is ready to fry. Okay, now heat up your oil, place it one by one. Fry it in low flame. For one side, it will take 10 minutes. Now change the side, and it will take 10 minutes for this side. So in the end, we're gonna give it a smoke. Guys, this is our final look. I hope you guys like watching this video. If you like, hit a like button, share with your friends and family. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. We'll meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.